February is Career and Technical Education Month at La Joya ISD. We are proud to highlight how career and technical education, also known as CTE, is preparing our students for real-world success. CTE at La Joya ISD is built on three core components that ensure students graduate college-ready, career-ready, and future-ready. Across our comprehensive high schools, students can choose from a wide range of programs of study that begin in 9th grade and intentionally build skills year after year, leading to industry-based certifications and real-world readiness by graduation. Students interested in agriculture and animal care can follow our animal science pathway at Palmview High School, starting with principles of agriculture, progressing through small animal management, equine science, livestock production, and advanced animal sciences. Along the way, students can earn the Elanco Fundamental of Animal Science certification, preparing them for careers, college, or continued training in agricultural sciences. Our carpentry program introduces students to construction fundamentals and advances through hands-on coursework in construction technology and practicum experiences. Students graduate with industry-recognized credentials such as NCCR Core, NCCR Carpentry Level 1, opening doors to the construction workforce. In digital communications, students move from audio and video production fundamentals into advanced production labs and practicum experiences, earning Adobe Photoshop and Premiere Pro certifications used across creative industries. The business management pathway prepares future leaders through business information management, marketing, finance, business law, and decision-making. Students can earn entrepreneurship and small business credentials along with Microsoft Office Specialist certifications in Excel and Word. Culinary arts and hospitality students with a passion for food and service can follow the culinary arts pathway, from introductory skills to advanced culinary techniques and real-world practicum experiences, earning the ServSafe Manager certification, a nationally recognized industry credential. The welding program takes students from introductory welding skills to advanced manufacturing practicum, with opportunities to earn AWS structural and sheet metal welding certifications and NCCR Welding Level 1 certifications. Students interested in transportation careers can choose automotive technology, earning certifications in maintenance, brakes, and steering, or collision repair, focusing on refinishing, structural repair, and painting, leading to multiple ASC industry certifications. The teaching and training pathway prepares future educators through coursework in human development and instructional practices, culminating in classroom practicum experiences and the Educational Aid Level 1 certification. In health science, students explore therapeutic services through medical terminology, health science theory, and clinical practicum, earning the phlebotomy technician certification, a strong entry point into healthcare careers. Students pursuing beauty and wellness careers can enroll in cosmetology, progressing from foundational skills to advanced lab experiences, and graduating with a cosmetology operator license. For students interested in public safety, the law enforcement pathway provides instruction in law, security, and corrections, leading to non-commissioned security officer Level 2 certification. Our engineering foundations pathway builds problem-solving and design skills through applied engineering and design courses, culminating in Certified SolidWorks Associate. The manufacturing technology pathway advances students through metal fabrication, machining, and precision manufacturing with opportunities to earn Certified SolidWorks Professional, credentials valued in modern manufacturing environments. From agriculture to engineering, healthcare to hospitality, media to manufacturing, La Joya ISD offers pathways for every passion and every future. This is CTE at La Joya ISD, where learning leads to opportunity.